These bees or wasps are swarming around all 8 of our Leland cypress trees. Are these yellow jackets or what? Will they sting? Why are they swarming our trees? I thought yellow jackets lived in the ground, and this is from Rodney from Hickory With. Yep. So he wanted to know if those were bees or wasps. And we had a discussion about this, and they are actually parasitoid.
They are wasps, but they're good wasps.
They're good wasps. They're beneficials.
They're not yellow jackets, and there's no need to spray them and try to kill them.
No.
A good way to tell the difference is if they were yellow jackets, they would have stung you. and you would know. You need to get rid of them. Yeah. But I've never seen yellow jackets congregate like that on branches. Especially
around
But I understand they're a parasitic wasp, and they feed on grub worms, and so they're good. So it makes me wonder if somebody maybe bought some, and maybe they got away from them, and I don't know, or they just hatched out.
Yeah, maybe they just hatched out.
But I've not seen that before.
Right,
that's a new one on me.
Right, and I guess we just learned about it not too long ago. Tiphiid is how you pronounce it. Tiphiid wasp, and they're beneficial. Yeah. The female will lay eggs right next to grubs. So your May beetles, your June beetles, your Japanese beetles, they love them.
So that's similar to the type of wasp that lays eggs on the sphinx, the tobacco hornworm, tomato hornworm.
Right. The brackenid wasp.
Brackenid wasp.
That's
very
right.
Similar. Very
right.
So parasitic wasp.
It's the same. Yeah, beneficials. All right. And I did learn this from Dr. Hale, of course, who's an entomologist with Extension. The female is slightly bigger than the male. The male is smaller and slender, but the female does have a stinger. So if you mess with the female too much,
even though they're not yellow jackets, don't try to make them mad.
Yeah, I wouldn't make them mad. I wouldn't try to handle them. Yeah. But again, Rodney, these are beneficial wasps. Yeah. Right? So they're taking care of those May, June, and of course you know about Japanese beetles. I mean, those things have been all over the place this year. Right.
And we have more Japanese beetles now than we've ever had, in my opinion. And maybe this is you have the predator-prey relationship, and as you have more of a prey species out there, more predators show up. So
it's a good point.
It's a naturally occurring phenomena.
Right. And we can use more of those.
Yes, we could.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.